of that.
Okay, thank you so much, Rohit, on this. So, Rohit, I'll just like to understand from you, like as you mentioned, digitization of benefits, right? So, what would you like to suggest employers on, like as you mentioned, on the educating the employees, right? So, second is on the platform bit of it, right? So, I want to do a sales plug here. So, we are building a platform for making it easier for employees to enable the benefits. So what will you suggest for people like us, right, the PassCare kind of
Yeah.
companies who are working on this front? So how
Yeah.
can we add more value to employer and employee relationship?
Yeah. Yeah. So I think one, if we can use more sophisticated way of creating that educational content from employee, because like we all know, like no one goes and read text. Like if you put like this heavy text and documents in like your site and app, like no one is going to go and read that stuff. So if we can use like concept like your gamification and more visual way of bags of putting that content across, wherein like it's really easy for someone to understand the different benefits, offerings, and options. And then second, I think where companies like PassCare can really add value is more around the preventive health care. So you take some stories, like you walk a person through that story, so that person can really see live, like what was the problem, what was the cause, and like what was that recommended plan. So that is second thing which I think can add a lot of uh, val- value to this. And then third is uh, giving an employee an opportunity to somehow have their personalized health plan. Now, whether you build some standard templates into that, or wherein like someone external comes and gives me that plan that for your health based on the assessment that you have done, like this is the plan that you should follow or that you should stick to. So right now, like as an individual, I don't know like what are my needs, like whether I'm going through a stress, I'm going through a anxiety, like I don't know that right now till the time it's like really late. So I think if a platform like PassCare can really help a person um, assess like what is his current state of health, and then based on that assessment give him like a personalized plan that Rohit, you have like XYZ, and if you focus on like A, B, and C, then that actions can really help you with a better health. So that is the kind of personalization that I think companies like PassCare and digital platform can really help. One is to thoroughly assess your current state of health, and then second, based on that assessment, what is the personalized plan that can be recommended to an employee. And then third, like which I was talking about, is more around preventive health care, wherein the person can really see like what he or she should be thinking about.
Thanks, Rohit. I think that's a very good point. So I think personalization of my plan and making sure that my plan is more accessible to me instead of just being in part of my PDFs, right?
Yes.
The policy PDF which generally HR team sends, right?
Yes.
So it has to be more accessible, and I think that's the job that we platforms like PassCare need to do.